Imagine yourself in this GMC 2021 Yukon XL Denali. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment Group 5SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, wheels, 20x9 6-spoke polished aluminum, wheels, 22x9 bright machined aluminum, wheel locks, front bucket seats, perforated leather seating surfaces, power-release second row bucket seats and radio, AM/FM Sirius XM with navigation. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.